Welcome to English Binglish Part 2. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's practice listening in English.
No money, no way. The phrase no money, no way is a simple but powerful expression that reflects one of the harshest realities of modern life, that money has become the foundation of survival, progress, and even respect in society. It suggests that without financial resources, achieving a success or even meeting basic needs can become extremely difficult. In today's competitive world, almost every opportunity, whether it is education, employment, health care, or personal growth, is directly or indirectly connected to money. This saying highlights the reality that poverty limits people's choices and freedom. A person without money often faces closed doors, limited opportunities, and social exclusion, no matter how hardworking, intelligent, or talented they may be. The phrase therefore serves as both a truth and a warning, a truth about the power of money and a warning about what happens when it becomes the only measure of human worth. However, the expression can also be interpreted in a deeper way. On one hand, it exposes the inequality of the economic system. On the other, it encourages human resilience. It reminds us that although money is important, determination, skill, and courage can still create opportunities that wealth alone cannot buy. The real meaning of no money, no way. At its most basic level, the phrase means that without money, progress is limited. In the modern world, every step forward requires some form of financial support, from education and housing to medical care and business ventures. A lack of money can stop even the most ambitious dreams from becoming reality. For instance, a talented student may be unable to continue studies due to high tuition fees. A creative individual may fail to start a business because they cannot afford capital, and a family may struggle for basic needs such as food, rent, and clothing. In each of these cases, money becomes not just a tool, but a barrier separating what people wish to do from what they are able to do. This dependency on money is one of the defining features of modern society. Almost every system, education, employment, healthcare, and even social relationships, is influenced by financial strength. In such a world, the saying "no money, no way" captures the idea that poverty is not only an economic condition but also a limitation of opportunities and dignity. From a social point of view, this phrase reveals the deep inequality that exists between the rich and the poor. Those who are wealthy often have access to better schools, safer neighborhoods, and greater chances of success. Meanwhile, the poor must work harder just to meet their daily needs, and even then, they may never reach the same level of comfort or security. This imbalance shows how money controls power, respect, and opportunity. Society tends to judge people by their wealth rather than by their character or ability. As a result, individuals without money often feel invisible or undervalued. This reality makes the phrase "no money, no way" not only a description of financial struggle but also a reflection of social injustice. Beyond the social and economic meanings, no money, no way also has a deep emotional and psychological impact. Living without money brings not only physical hardship but also mental stress and loss of confidence. People struggling with poverty often face fear, shame, and exhausted. They may feel powerless or believe that their dreams are worthless simply because they cannot afford them. Yet, adversity can also bring out the best qualities in human beings. When faced with financial challenges, some people discover strength, patience, and creativity they never knew they had. Throughout history, many successful individuals, writers, inventors, leaders, and entrepreneurs began their journeys with nothing but determination. They proved that while money can make the path easier, courage and persistence can make it possible. Money is powerful, but not everything. It can buy comfort and convenience, but it cannot buy wisdom, love, or moral strength. Hard work and education are the real investments. Even without wealth, knowledge and persistence can change a person's future. In conclusion, the phrase no money, no way describes both a real world struggle and a moral challenge. It reveals how strongly money influences our lives, shaping our opportunities, our confidence, and our place in society. At the same time, it encourages us to remember that money, though important, is not the only path to success. People who have nothing but determination often find creative ways to move forward. Their journeys may be longer and harder, but they show that human strength is greater than any material limitation. Ultimately, No Money, No Way teaches two lessons, one about the truth of the world and one about the power of the human spirit. It reminds us that while money opens doors, courage builds new ones. Life may test us with poverty, but it also rewards us with perseverance, hope, and heart.
Thank you, my dear subscriber, for being here with me. Your support means everything to me. I hope this story touched your heart. Until next time, keep learning, keep practicing, keep growing, and never stop believing in the power of consistent daily action. Share this video with someone who needs to hear this message. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.